Okay, so I purchased this from a local retailer on special for about 130 bucks, down from 180, taking advantage of the holiday specials. You notice right on the box first, you'll see 65 times telezoom, the Schneider logo, which is the lens producer, 4 hour 10 minutes of battery life, 1.9 megapixel still images, IntelliStudio PC editing software, and it's USB chargeable. Flip it over, you're going to see a lot of the same information. Here you'll find some PC requirements and some technical specs. And this is the last time I'm going to be using the flip video. So next video you'll get some better image quality. Again, a camera on the side here. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, first thing I notice right off the bat is the driver disc and instruction manual. Go ahead and set this to the side here. On the left side, looks like the device itself. Yeah, boy, this thing's lightweight. A lot lighter than I thought. On the right side, looks like a battery. Wow, small battery too. And audio video cables. Looks like a sync cable, USB, and a charging cable. Let's go ahead and open this bag of goodies up. First thing looks like the quick start guide, instruction manual. This looks like an accessory guide, some other products by Samsung. This is a tech support 800 number for Samsung, and a registration guide. So you register your product. And then lastly, a user manual on DVD. All pretty standard stuff for a camcorder. Now for the device itself, you're going to find a lot of the same information on the side. 65 times zoom, battery life, recording time, and again, it comes with built-in PC software. Again, 65 times zoom, they're really harping on that. Look over here, you're going to find a power button, your zoom slider back and forth, your mode button, and photo button for still shots. Here's the record button. Underneath, some tripod accessibility. And battery release. And this here's the lens switch. Pretty standard. Nice comfortable handle. Open this up here. Rotating LCD. Again, you'll find a menu button, toggle D button for going through the menu, and a record button. You'll see inside here, display button, LCD enhancer, backlight button, and smart auto. Pop this little hatch open here. You'll see an audio video jack, USB jack, DC and jack for power, and of course the SD memory card slot. That's pretty much it. Again guys, this has been an unboxing of the Samsung F40. We'll see you in the next video.